So you're probably wondering, is AI Receptionist going to replace the missed call text back service? And certainly the answer is yes. Missed call text back had its time. Now is the time for AI Receptionist. And I will also kind of break down why this is the case right now, especially for, those of you who are using GoHighLevel for AI Voice Receptionist, okay? Because GoHighLevel is one of the best and easiest ways to deliver AI Voice Receptionist for local businesses. By the way, if you want to check out GoHighLevel, we have a 30-day free trial below. You can check it out for free. So yeah, let's get started. So obviously the problem with missed call text back is that it sends one text, right? Then it does nothing, right? So no follow-up, no second touch, no qualifying, no question asked, no booking, right? So nothing hits the calendar. And the lead gets called and your client loses money. Because in this case, your client needs to call them back, right? You get the missed call text back, but your client gets that, someone called them. The text that someone called them. So in that case, your client needs to actually call them back. So, the missed call text back is not just, texting them back, it's also calling them back manually. So just remember that you're manually calling them back, which is, the worst way to do business right now in 2026. So again, it doesn't text back, it takes over. This is what AI Voice Receptionist does. So it answers instantly, picks up moment a call is missed, no ring, into voicemail. It holds a real conversation, so two-way dialogue that sounds human, not a canned auto reply, right? It's very specific. It qualifies the lead and then it books the appointment. And the best part is it works 24/7 without any human required. So even if you're working with a dentist that is on vacation currently, the AI Voice Receptionist books appointments for them while they're on vacation. So when they're, back from vacation, they will have more business, which is, again, at the end of the day, what every business owner wants. So the gap that a missed call text back leaves on the table is 62% of calls to local businesses go unanswered. I mean, this is a ridiculous statistic. 78% of the customers buy from the business that respond first. I mean, just imagine this, right? If you're a local business, or maybe you're watching this to incorporate for a local business, right? 78% of customers buy from the business that responds first. Imagine just having an AI Voice Receptionist. Just imagine that. You're already making much more money than an average business. 24/7 coverage, obviously the nights, the weekends, the holidays, no extra stuff. Even if you have a receptionist right now, a real human receptionist, you can have this as a supplement, right? And then obviously, as you can see right here, the appointments that missed call text back books on its own, it's literally zero because the person has to manually call them back, which is, again, this is industry benchmarks, so actual results will vary by client and vertical, obviously by the niche. But again, this is pretty much the harsh reality of this, right? So how can you sell the AI Voice Receptionist to other businesses? You can just say you're already paying for these leads, right? Or these leads are already coming to you, you're missing the calls or whatever, right? You can say stop letting them go to voicemail. And then again, you can pitch recovered revenue. This isn't a software feature. It's money that they're already losing that they can win back. Also, you can use their numbers. So how many calls did you miss last week? What's one job worth? The math sells itself pretty much. And then, it pays for itself for the first time it books a job. Otherwise, they lost the lead, right? But in this case, it pays for itself. Now, I do have in my community, if you sign up with a 30-day free trial below for my GoHighLevel link, or through my GoHighLevel link, you will get a calculator that you can use. I also covered it on my channel previously, that you can use while selling this. And it calculates basically how much missed calls are actually costing the business, okay? So this is very important if you want to go and sell this to local businesses. So again, missed call text back versus AI Receptionist, it's really clear that AI Receptionist is overpowering missed call text back, right? So with missed call text back, you're getting an automated text blast. With AI Receptionist, you get a real two-way conversation. Again, what happens next with missed call text back? Nothing. The lead has to reply. So With your case, the AI, it just keeps talking instantly, and it asks the right questions because it's prompted. It is straight booking to the calendar because it's in the one ecosystem. Specifically, if you use this in GoHighLevel, it's extremely efficient, and then it books the job while they are still hot, okay? So again, missed calls text back is the floor, AI Receptionist is the ceiling, so it works, it works like a person that works for you, which is very, very important, and it works 24/7. So sell the upgrade and scale faster. Again, the AI Receptionist built inside GoHighLevel is one of the most efficient ways to recover these missed call text back. So again, yes, the AI Receptionist is replacing the missed call text back in GoHighLevel. And yeah, it's one of the best things you can do for a local business right now, that is easy to install, easy to sell, and overall just easy to maintain, right? And it's a monthly recurring subscription. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, find it valuable. If you did, leave a like below, and also comment below if you have any specific questions that you want to get answers from. So yeah, thank you.